एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता एस्ट्रोसेज.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology YouTube channel. This is Sashwati and I'm here today with a very special video. Well, primarily it concerns the natives belonging to the zodiac sign Taurus, as I will be disclosing the deeds of Taurus horoscope 2021. So all the Taurus natives out there, keep watching the whole video to find out if 2021 will be the best year of your life or not. You can find out how the various aspects of your life will perform during this particular year. So let me not just digress further anymore and start with the predictions. First and foremost, I'll be talking about your career or your professional life. So the predictions for your professional life state that this year seems to be a great year for you career-wise, because Saturn, the lord of your karma or your profession, will remain seated in the 9th house of your zodiac sign all throughout this year. Due to this, your luck will shine bright and you will attain the immense success in your career. Due to the astrological state of Saturn, you will succeed in attaining your desired job transfer, thereby leading to a promotion. Hence, if you are thinking of changing your job, then make intense efforts, as only then your professional career will see a boom. If you are a businessman, then you should remain careful at this time, especially in case you manage a business in partnership. Then think well before dealing with a business partner with no kids, since there are chances of incurring losses. During this time, any business done in partnership will turn out to be a huge failure, and this will negatively impact your relationship with your business partner. Therefore, try hard and avoid taking any shortcuts. Although problems can arise in the beginning of the year in your career, but success will hit you from April until the month of September. If we talk about your financial life, then it can be stated that you will incur mixed results during this year, because Mars will be sitting in your 12th house from your zodiac sign at the very beginning of the year. With this, your expenses will highly increase and you will also need to rein in your unnecessary spendings in time, otherwise a financial crisis may occur. Along with this, the time period during January until the end of September along with November will turn out to be unfavorable. During this time, you are required to remain alert as well as cautious while carrying out any monetary transactions, otherwise a loss is likely to occur. You will spend on your spouse or your lover, and they are likely to demand something from you which you will find very financially difficult to fulfill. In such a situation, pay attention to yourself before fulfilling their wishes, as you are very much responsible for your decisions. If we talk about the fate of student natives, then they are likely to get less than average results this year, since you will have to work harder than ever in the beginning of this year. Therefore, concentrating on your studies will be of utmost importance. However, the time from the first week of January until the first week of April will be good for you, since the planet Jupiter will transit in your 9th house, which is why the students will be favored by luck and success. At the same time, students preparing for higher education will see favorable results. Also, the duration from the year's start until April and then in the month of September will create some problems for you. During this time, you may feel distracted, and chances are that you may feel interrupted in your studies because of your friend circle. Based on the elements of Vedic astrology, the predictions also state that your love life will remain normal this year, because the aspect of Jupiter will remain favorable for you from the very beginning. In this duration, you will be seen spending memorable moments with your partner. However, you may witness some stressful situations after this period, and it is possible that your partner may fail to give you the required time you need. Despite this, both of you will be seen trying to resolve your disputes and making efforts from time to time. The months of May and September will bring a wonderful time to your love life. During this time, both of you will come closer to each other and can also plan to go on a romantic trip. You will also undergo mental stress in your love life. However, during this time, your partner will be seen standing with you and by your side. On the other hand, some disputable circumstances may arise between you two because of a third person. If we talk about your health, then you will have to pay more attention to your well-being, because the shadow planets Rahu and Ketu will be in your 1st and 7th houses of your zodiac signs respectively, which will record a fall in your health levels. Along with this, Mars will also transit in the 12th house of your zodiac sign at the very beginning of this year, and during this time the conjunction of Sun and Mercury will also be in your 8th house, which won't prove to be very good from a health point of view. If we talk about your marital life, then the natives of this zodiac sign will have to suffer due to the influence of Ketu, the shadow planet in their married life this year, because Ketu's presence in the 7th house from your zodiac sign will create many marital troubles. At this time, you will have to control your words, otherwise things can worsen in case you say something rude or controversial to your life partner. Even in between the months of February and April, the aspect of Mars will lead to a rise in stress and nuisance in your relationships. In such a situation, act wisely and control your anger, otherwise your life partner may get hurt emotionally. Since in the middle of the year, that is between May 4 to May 28, the transit of Venus is going to take place in the ascendant house in your zodiac sign. This will prove to be auspicious. As a result, children in your marital life will benefit and make progress, and you will be seen supporting them to the fullest. But there may be some ego clashes between you and your partner, and both of you will struggle to dominate one another. If we talk about your domestic life, then the natives of this sign will get less than average results in 2021, since stress will prevail in the beginning of the year itself. The situation will stretch up until February, which will lead to a decline in familial happiness. In the meantime, you won't receive any family support even if it is required, which will make you sad and depressed. However, after February, things will look better in March, and you can consider buying any property at this point of time. During this time, you will also have discussions with your family members and will be seen spending enough time with them. Then in between April and September, any auspicious event or program will be organized within the family. During this time, Jupiter's aspect will be on the 4th house from your zodiac sign, which indicates either a childbirth or an arrival of a new family member in the family. In this duration, brotherhood and love will increase among the members of your household, and the health of your parents will also improve. Some stress may arise in the last part of the year. So now, before wrapping up the video, I will quickly give away some remedies which you can follow or consider in 2021 to make it the best year of your life. You should wear a high quality opal or diamond gemstone in a gold or silver ring, and it should be worn in the right ring or middle finger of your right hand. You will attain good results in your married life because of this. You can also offer food to girls who are less than 10 years of age, touch their feet and seek their blessings regularly. On Fridays, you can donate sugar, white sweets or batashe to the poor. By doing this, luck will favor you. Offer flour to the ants every Saturday and serve the cows. You can also gift something to the female family members and respect them enough. This will ensure the inflow of positive results in your life. So this was all you need to know about Taurus horoscope 2021 and how the various aspects of your life will perform during this particular year. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have really liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.